Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to share how to download and install Google One app on your iPhone. Google One is a cloud storage and backup from the Google app that helps you store files, photos and device backup safely online. Installing it on your phone allows you to manage storage, backup data and access files from anywhere, and the setup process is quick and beginner friendly. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and simply tap on the App Store on your device. So over here, once you get into this interface of your app store, what you can do is tap on the search bar on the bottom there and type down Google One and search for it here. So over here, once you find your Google One app under this app store here, beside it we can find this an option for the get. Tap on the get beside there, and after that you can authenticate using your Face ID or your Apple ID password as well. And after that the app installs automatically, and after that you can open it once it's done. Downloading and installing the Google One app is very simple. Just search it on the App Store, install it, and after that you can simply sign in. And once set up, it helps you securely store and manage your data into the cloud. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.